Job Rocketeer uses AI to produce high-quality cover letters using your resume. The cover letters are tailored to the specific position that you're applying for, and the best part is, it only takes a couple of minutes. I prefer the auto mode, so we'll start there. I'm just going to start by entering my name. Okay, and now we need a link to the job. Currently, we only support LinkedIn, but more websites are coming in the near future. So let's get the link to this office manager position at State Farm. All we need to do is get the URL, and we're going to paste that here. Okay. Last, we just need a resume on file. So I'm going to drag in my resume, and then make sure I have my resume selected, and send. After just about a minute, you can see we now have a cover letter for the office manager position at State Farm. We can download it as a Word document or as a PDF, and we can delete it if we'd like. Let's take a look at the cover letter it generated. As you can see, we have a full page of well-written content specific to the office manager position at State Farm. I would just recommend going through and making any changes that you think are best before sending it to any employers. Now it's time for the manual mode. Again, we're just going to enter our name. Okay, and now we need to enter the job title. So let's do this same exact job, the office manager at State Farm. Okay, so I've entered office manager as the job title. Company name is State Farm. And now we just need the job description. Back on LinkedIn, we're just going to copy the whole job description here. And now we're going to paste that in here. Last, we just want to have a resume selected again. I'm going to upload a different resume this time. Okay, and now I just want to select my other resume. And now we're ready to send. And just like that, we've made 2 high-quality cover letters. If you need any support, please send an email to support@jobrocketeer.com. Otherwise, good luck on your job hunt.